Namaste, dear seeker. Today begins your deep journey into Nadi Shodhana, the most essential pranayama for every Kriya yogi. While many teach it as a simple breathing exercise, its real depth and spiritual power are rarely understood. Let us begin this detailed exploration. 1. What is Nadi Shodhana? Nadi Shodhana means purification of the nadis. In yoga, nadis are subtle energy channels, and when blocked, they obstruct the flow of prana, creating physical disease and mental unrest. Ida Nadi, left nostril, cooling, calming, feminine, lunar energy. Pingala Nadi, right nostril, heating, energizing, masculine, solar energy. Sushumna Nadi, central channel in the spine, dormant unless Ida and Pingala are balanced. Imagine this. If your house has blocked water pipes, no matter how clean your storage tank is, the water will never reach you. Similarly, until your nadis are purified, Kundalini cannot rise smoothly. 2. Why is Nadi Shodhana important in Kriya Yoga? Kriya Yoga is not merely a set of techniques. It is a science of spiritual purification and expansion. Nadi Shodhana prepares the subtle body by removing energetic impurities, balancing Ida and Pingala nadis, calming the mind and emotions, preparing Sushumna for Kundalini awakening. 3. Scientific benefits of Nadi Shodhana. Modern research shows reduces anxiety and stress by calming the nervous system, improves heart rate variability and cardiovascular health, enhances focus, memory, and emotional stability, deepens meditation by balancing left and right brain hemispheres. 4. Stepwise guidance for Nadi Shodhana practice. Here is traditional guidance as taught in ancient yogic texts. 1. Sit in Sukhasana or Padmasana, spine erect, shoulders relaxed. 2. Make Vishnu Mudra with your right hand, fold index and middle fingers. 3. Close your right nostril with your thumb, inhale gently through your left nostril. Feel the cool, calming prana entering your system. 4. Close your left nostril with your ring finger, release the thumb, and exhale slowly through your right nostril, feeling energized warmth. 5. Inhale through the right nostril, feeling solar energy entering. 6. Close right nostril, exhale through left nostril, releasing tension and mental clutter. This is one full round. Start with 9 rounds daily, gradually increasing to 18 or 27 with practice. 5. Where to focus during practice. Keep your awareness along the spine or at the third eye for spiritual effect. Feel prana cleansing your nadis with each breath. Do not strain. Let the breath flow smooth and silent. 6. Risks and precautions. Do not force breath retention if you have high blood pressure, heart problems, or dizziness. Pregnant women should avoid advanced retentions. If you feel anxious or lightheaded, reduce rounds or simply observe natural breathing to calm down. 7. A spiritual story, cleaning the vessel. Once, a king invited a sage for lunch. Before serving, he noticed the plate was dirty. The sage smiled and said, "If the vessel is not clean, whatever you put in it becomes impure." Similarly, dear seeker, without Nadi Shodhana, your vessel, the nadis, remains blocked, and the divine nectar of Kriya Yoga cannot be tasted fully. We understood its purpose, basic technique, and importance in Kriya Yoga. Now let us dive even deeper into advanced practices, integration, signs of purification, and spiritual mastery. 1. Advanced variations of Nadi Shodhana. Once you have mastered the basic practice with ease and calmness, you can explore these variations gradually, always under proper guidance. Antar Kumbhaka, internal retention. After inhaling through one nostril, retain the breath for a comfortable duration before exhaling through the other nostril. Retention amplifies pranic absorption and deepens stillness. Start with 2 to 3 seconds. Gradually increase to 6 to 8 seconds with practice. Always keep the body relaxed and mind focused. B. Bahya Kumbhaka, external retention. After exhaling, retain the breath out briefly before inhaling again. This creates a calming, grounding effect on the nervous system. Begin with 1 to 2 seconds only. Avoid forcing yourself into discomfort. C. Adding Brahmari, humming bee breath. For deeper purification, advanced practitioners add a gentle Brahmari hum while exhaling, which soothes the mind and awakens subtle vibrations in the nadis. 2. Precautions for advanced practices. Never attempt long retentions if you have heart conditions, high blood pressure, or severe anxiety. Always remain calm and humble, listening to your body. Practice advanced variations only when basic Nadi Shodhana feels effortless. 3. Integrating Nadi Shodhana into Kriya routine. Nadi Shodhana is best practiced early morning before sunrise, Brahma Muhurta, before Kriya Pranayama to purify the nadis and prepare Sushumna, before meditation to calm the mind, before sleep if the mind feels restless. Ideal practice sequence: 1. Kapalbhati or Bhastrika to energize and awaken prana. 2. Nadi Shodhana to balance and purify nadis. 3. Kriya Pranayama or meditation practice. 4. Signs of successful Nadi Shodhana practice. With sincere, daily practice you may notice increased mental clarity and reduced overthinking, balanced emotions, less anger or anxiety, natural deepening of meditation and inner silence, feeling of pranic flow along the spine, heightened awareness of Ida and Pingala currents within you. However, avoid chasing signs. The true benefit is purification and preparation for higher Kriya practices. 5. Spiritual reflection, the river and the rocks. Imagine a river flowing towards the ocean. When rocks block its way, the water stagnates and becomes polluted. But when the rocks are removed, the river flows freely, merging joyfully with the sea. Your nadis are like that river. Nadi Shodhana removes the rocks of blockages, allowing your prana to merge into the infinite ocean of consciousness. 6. A guided contemplative practice. Sit quietly after your Nadi Shodhana practice. 1. Close your eyes. 2. Visualize a golden river of prana flowing smoothly from Muladhara to Ajna chakra. 3. With each inhale, feel cleansing light purifying your nadis. 4. With each exhale, release toxins, stress, and old emotional burdens. 5. End with gratitude, touching your heart gently. Nadi Shodhana is not just a pranayama. It is a sacred act of preparing your inner temple for divine awakening. Practice it with devotion, patience, and humility. Comment below, "My nadis flow freely with divine prana." Subscribe for upcoming teachings on advanced Kriya Pranayama, Kundalini awakening, and timeless secrets of yoga and tantra.